ang nasabi nga pong Watson playlist kung saan performer po doon ang SB19 kasama ang December Avenue at si Maki. Anyway, syempre, ang highlights ng nasabi nga pong concert na ito or ang Watson playlist ay walang iba kundi ang SB19. Sa nasabi nga pong full video na ibinahagi ni Kelski sa kanyang YouTube channel kung saan may title ito na SB19 on Watson's Playlist 2026 Full Performance at SM MOA Arena 5/31/2026. Marami pong mga fans ang nag-comment at nagpapasalamat kay Kelsey dahil na rin sa tiyaga at laging pagpapaayuda nito. Sabi nila, mabuhay ka Kap, salamat sa mga ayuda mo palagi, yung iba dyan, wag abusuhin. Okay, Kelsey, the mother of all SB19 fan cams, maraming salamat. Ken seems to have lost his voice from Sulfur but still sang it out. When Josh sang his part in Wakas, I thought it was to let Ken rest but it was a collab. What a nice surprise. I love the energy for the Gento dance break. Thanks Kelsey for this amazing fan cam. I thought it was official footage at first because of how clear and stable it was. Sobrang galing, sobrang ganda. Effort po talaga ang ibinahagi na ito ni Kelsey. At meron lang po siyang paalala na kung sakaling ito po ay share the link. And sana hindi i-re-upload ang nasabing video. At pwede ang reaction video. And thank you bilang isang Caps. Itong si Kelsey ay talaga namang marami ang nagpapasalamat. Lalo-lalo na ang mga team bahay na hindi nakabili ng ticket para mapanood. At talagang performance ng SB19 ang kanya nga pong naibahagi. So, mula sa isa pang fan, doon po sa comment section ng YouTube channel ni Kelsey, sinabi niyang SB19 making any event their own concert. Still being his usual super style self, the muscles are muscling. OMG, Pablo likewise oozing with his undeniable leader charisma. Super miss him being active and starting their spills. Justin being deadly with his visuals. Like, swear mapapaswerte ka talaga lalo na pag live. Iba ang glow mo ngayon, Ja. Ken with his crazy aura felt he is a bit under the weather but still remain pro. SB19 got you rest well. Josh being the boss and crowd hype. And Kelsey always and consistently bringing us the best. Ayan po ang pagpapasalamat sa kanya. And of course, credit po ang screenshot na ito ng mga photo sa YouTube channel po ni Kelsey. At sa nais pong mapanood ang buong performance, bisitahin nyo na lang po ito sa kanyang Kelsey YouTube channel. Well, images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Showbiz Snap, tumutok lang po for more updates.